Hello, I'm Alethea, and this is Sewing Skill Building Saturdays with Sail Along Sewing. We're going to look at easy patterns, not so easy. When you're starting out on your journey, make sure you check your patterns out. Some that are labeled easy are not so easy. Let's get into that. And so I guess we can say that easy is the best defined in sewing depending on where your journey starts. What defines easy? Now, if you're just beginning, you don't want to get a pattern that has button if you're not familiar with making buttonholes. But this pattern is rated very easy. But to a beginner sewer who has not gotten into buttonholes, that could be a problem. But then this pattern also offers a view that does not have buttonholes. And let's look at the back. The line drawings here are there. You can see where the body shapes are that are compatible to this pattern. And you have pants in 2 different lengths. So it's safe to say that this is a beginner pattern because they offer this option. But remember, an alternative to buttonholes would be snaps and things of that line. And I feel that when choosing this pattern, you have a complete outfit. You have the top and the pants. And also, you can color block here. See the line drawings if you wanted to. And it's also offering skill building because these are lines and just curves. These things would help to enhance your sewing skills. Let's move further. Here's another selection, S9739. It's labeled a super jiffy 1 pattern piece, easy cut, easy sew. Now this would definitely fall into the criteria because this is a 1 main piece pattern. And you only have your belts and your shoulder straps and a pocket to sew. It does call for top stitching, and that's easy and simple straight lines on that pocket. And I don't see any other notions other than thread. And it's labeled very easy. So you want to be careful when you just starting out and looking for something to sew a beginner starter pattern. You're looking for something that's basic, that's straight with lines and curves again. This is a 1970s Ventures pattern. Let's move further. Another good one I found in my collection is S9848. It's a wide tail dress, I call it. This is a label, a easy to sew. And as you can see, it's a straightforward dress with 2 main pattern pieces, and it's cut on the fold, so the front and the back when you unfold it would be already there, and it's labeled easy. There are no buttons or zippers for this dress. you only need some seam binding. So now we're looking at the new look, 6517, and it's also labeled easy. Here you have a whole little wardrobe of summer outfits, pants and tops, a shirt, and a scarf. And here are the drawings on the back. Let's see the notions if they have any. No. This is a great just bias tape, and for the pants, wide elastic, and that's view D. And it has pockets. So again, these are just straight lines, very easy lines and curves. Let's move even further. Here's another great summer dress pattern that's labeled easy, 6866. Here you have a collection and options of summer dresses with different neckline views. So let's see the notions, interfacing, and that's it. You have 4 sizes in one. And that's the one dress piece. And on the layout, there are only 4 pieces. And it's just lines and curves. No buttons, no zippers. So I will look for things like that depending on where you are in your journey and as to what you can do and what you're looking for. And the last one I selected is a learn to sew pattern. Depending on where you are in your journey, you can look for patterns that actually teach you step by step in the instructions as you go along with the sewing the garment. They'll tell you how to do certain things that they require you to do to make the garment. This is a child's dress. I usually use this pattern, Simplicity 2241, for my project Dresser Girl. And as you can see, it has different options there. This pattern says, learn basic skills. Choose the right size. Cut a pattern. Apply trim. Apply yoke. Apply bias tape. Ruffles. And shows you how to hem. They even tell you what you would need in the beginning to start sewing. Everything that you would need to complete a dress in this pattern is listed there. Then it goes on to tell you about the pattern. And give you definitions of words and directions. And what they mean. How to measure the body and find your correct pattern size. How to prep the pattern. Step-by-step information. How to lengthen and shorten. And how to prep the fabric. And a diagram of the pattern guide. And how to place your pattern face up or face down on your fabric. Great guide here. This pattern provides learning tips as well as when to snip your fabric. It's just a very, very detailed pattern guide. How to transfer markings. And step-by-step, in-depth explanations and illustrations of how to make the garment. And then it gives it answers questions with it stay stitching, and it gives you the answer. So all throughout this pattern guide, there is definitely great information in building your sewing skills. So this is the type of pattern I recommend that you look for, or something similar to it, to help you further your sewing skills. So here is another pattern, 9536 Simplicity. On this particular pattern, I made the bolero jacket. The jacket only, which is view C, and this is rated easy. And the jacket was easy, very, very easy. And this is how the jacket came out. At the end of the day, all in all, out of the 6 patterns plus that last one making 7 that I showed you, this is the most easiest pattern. It learned to sew pattern. Very, very simple and easy to work with. Is it learn basic skills. And like I said, depending on where you are in your journey, you can think about where you are when you go to select a pattern. It makes a big difference. You don't want to be frustrated. You want to complete the garment as it looks, or as the creator designed it to look, without being frustrated and overwhelmed. These are great here. Well, I want to thank you for watching, and I appreciate you coming. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. I look forward to hearing from you, and I'll see you on the next Skill Building Saturday. Thank you. Bye for now.